Hey guys, Barbara here. Needing to upload to Google Drive? After this video, you'll know how to get it done. Even though you are moving to Google, not everyone around you may be. This means you might find yourself in the position where you need to edit a Word document, PowerPoint, or Excel file while working in Google Drive. It may be a file that is shared with you or a file that you're uploading to Google Drive. You can now edit, comment, and collaborate on Office files using Google Docs sheets and slides. These changes will be auto-saved to the file in Office format. Let's explore what this is all about. From Google Drive, using the New button, choose to upload a file or folder. In this video, we're going to focus on uploading a file. Select File Upload. Your computer's hard drive will open. Locate the document you are looking for and select Open. You will see the upload status in the bottom right-hand corner of your Google Drive window. Notice the little W icon that appears in Google Drive. This indicates that this document is still in its Microsoft format. When you double-click on the document, a preview of that document will open for you to view. If you would like to edit the document, choose Open with Google Docs at the top of this preview window. Google Docs will launch, and you will see that next to the name in the top left is the file format .docx. If there are elements in that document that Google cannot recognize, it will give you a warning at the top of the file. If you select View Details, Google will let you know what it is that you may not be able to see if you edit. This will not be in all documents, only some where features may not be available, like watermarking, for example. In .docx formats, you are still able to share and collaborate with your colleagues. All you need to do is head to the Share button and choose to share. The important thing to note about the difference in collaborating in a .docx format and a Google Doc format is that when you give somebody viewing rights to a .docx document, they are still able to see suggested edits and comments. Whereas if you share a normal Google Doc, viewers will not be able to see suggested edits and comments in that doc. When working with non-G Suite file types, Google Drive has the ability to help you manage versions. For example, let's say I had an updated version of the Microsoft Word document that I would like to upload to Google Drive. Instead of uploading this document with the new file name, all you need to do is upload the updated file with the current document name in Google Drive. Google Drive will recognize that this is a new version of a document. In the bottom right-hand corner, you will notice that next to the document name, a version has been added. This is indicating that this document now exists as the latest version. You will be given the option in this window to keep it as a separate file should you wish to do so. If you would like to download a previous version of this document, you can do so by right-clicking on the document and selecting Manage Versions from the menu that appears. Here, you will see the current version as well as previous versions of this document. You are able to upload a new version in this window as well. Note that older versions may be deleted after 30 days or after 100 versions are stored. To prevent deletion, select Keep Forever from the three dots that appear. If you would like to delete a version or download a version, you can do that from here too. You won't need to save as when working in Google Drive. Google saves automatically. Any changes that have been made will automatically be saved to the document itself. If you are working in a G Suite version of a document, you will be able to access the version history of that document in the version history option that appears on the file menu inside the tool. If you don't want to work in the Microsoft version of a file and you would like your document to be in the Google equivalent, from the File menu, select Save as Google Docs. If you are working in slides or sheets, you will have the same option. Your document will now be opened in a new tab and converted to the G Suite equivalent. This new version will be saved in the same location in Google Drive where the original Microsoft document was saved. Google Drive has many handy features like this, which will help you to manage your documents effectively. If you don't want to convert your documents one at a time, and you would like Google Drive to automatically convert Excel, PowerPoint, and Word documents into their G Suite equivalents, you can make this happen in your settings. Here, you have the option to convert uploaded files to Google Docs in editor format. This will automatically convert any documents you upload.